Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to email photos from Google Photos. Friends, if you want to share photos stored in Google Photos with someone through email, then you simply need to open Google Photos app. In Google Photos app, you need to locate the photo you want to share. Like I want to share this photo which I uploaded in Google Photos 4 years back. So to share this photo, I simply need to tap on the photo and press on this share icon. Here I need to select share this photo. Now Google Photo app will ask permission to access your contact. So press on allow. Now from here you need to select the email app. So for that I need to press on more. Now here I will try to find Gmail app. So here is Gmail app. Press on it. Now here you need to enter email address to whom you want to email this picture. Add a subject. Now after entering all the details, you need to press on this arrow to send this email. Now friends, our email is sent. You can check your email by opening Gmail app. And here in send items, I will find my email. Here the send email. So friends, like this you can very easily email photos from Google Photo app. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.